News with video you need to see. First-hand look at how state troopers were able to nab a man on a speeding motorcycle.
What's going on YouTube? Today I have a very special episode for you guys today. You can call it a banger of a video if you will. Today we are riding the elusive, the famous Ducati 698 Supermoto. Today we're going to be taking this beautiful bike, this awesome bike to ride to a car meet, which I feel like is something not a lot of Supermoto owners do. As you can tell, fueling this thing is not easy. I hate the fact that they made this like a removable gas cap. I get they were trying to go for like the whole dirt bike aesthetic type thing, but this does come as a street legal bike with street tires and everything, so it feels a little bit unnecessary. As of recording this video, I am of course still healing from my accident, so broken foot. Everything still hurts a little bit, so I am moving a little bit slow, so we are late to this car meet, but hopefully we can still make it in time to enjoy ourselves. Because it's a gorgeous Sunday, 70 degrees here in Ohio, so we're trying to enjoy ourselves, have a good time. Oh boy, so my favorite thing about riding this Supermoto is it feels like riding a superbike, but the downside of that is this bike only makes 90 horsepower and still sucks to ride in traffic. Doing things like taking off from a stoplight and coming to a stop and like clutch control and everything, all that stuff is just like riding a 1000cc like V4 or R1 or something like that. Like it's super. Watch, I'm gonna take off from the stoplight. You guys are gonna see how janky this is. Like you have to give it so much gas to get going, because even in first gear below like 15 miles an hour, this thing just wants to stall out, which is like a criticism, but at the same time it's not, because the reason I love this bike so much is because it feels like riding a 1000cc bike and you're doing 1000cc things like popping wheelies in third gear and holding them out all the way through six. Like that is like a super bike thing. But this bike only makes 90 horsepower. Like, yeah, you're still popping a wheelie, which is highly illegal, but you're getting caught doing a wheelie at 40 miles an hour instead of 100. Like, to me, that's, in terms of safety, like, if you crash doing that, I am 100% going down at 40 miles an hour, not 100, any day of the week. The idea is not to go down, but still, like, it's a matter of when, not if. So it's gonna happen eventually, and I'd rather be on this bike when that happens again. Is this it? This has gotta be it. Oh, we are not gonna sit in this traffic when we leave, huh? I'm gonna take the sidewalks before I sit in that traffic. What? Well, here's some motorcycles. Do we just park in the grass just to flex? I think I'm gonna park in the grass just to flex, dude. I love it. Supermoto. I mean, parking in the grass is kind of a funny move. It's very Supermoto. I don't know. I also don't know anybody here, and my footsies kind of hurts a lot, so walking around is kind of less than ideal. Ah, man. Alright, I guess we'll be normal and go park with everybody else. Where'd you come from?
Over there.
You parked all the way over there?
Huh?
You parked all the way over there?
Yeah, there's another group of bikes over there.
This is gonna be difficult for me, bro. You want to give me a piggyback ride? Like, I can't really walk around here. Look at the fat tires on this vet. Carbon wheels. It's so extra. Making my way over slowly.
You want me to carry you?
Yeah, here. All the really cool cars left already. All the copy and paste McLarens. Hey, when I'm on the bike, I'm totally fine. It's just when I'm walking around.
How hard is this?
Not very hard. I'm wearing like 3 socks. I have like a skinny layer, I have a medium layer, and then I have a thick layer of socks, so that way my foot doesn't get cold while I'm riding. And
I can only imagine what people like, they just see you riding down the street with like a fucking...
I mean, I imagine most people don't even notice it. You don't really look at people's boots when they're riding.
Oh, that's pretty obvious.
I guess.
I can see your sock.
Yeah, that kind of is a dead giveaway, but
It doesn't hurt though?
no, I mean, as long as I don't put pressure on it, it's totally fine. I mean, it's never felt better than today.
That's good.
It gets better every day.
Doctor yesterday or something?
I went to the doctor on Wednesday. They said it has not even started to heal, so I'm like, oh, well, YOLO. What's the worst that could happen, right? Did you just squirt? Not squirt, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, did you just skirt? Like, what?
I think I did now.
Yeah. Well, that was the misspeak of the goddamn century. Alright, cool.
I don't even know why that's so funny. It's so sad.
It's probably a funny word. Every time I eat pizza, bro, the pizza's been the best thing to heal the body after the crash. Every time I eat pizza, bro, I swear, I eat pizza, I take a nap, and I wake up, and I feel like 10 times better. Magical.
You would think that'd be the opposite.
No, I mean, because I'm getting good pizza. I'm going to like a really high quality local place. I'm not going to Papa John's and the fattest thing, whatever. It's like a decent quality pizza. They use like good ingredients and stuff. It's not super greasy, and so I just down the whole thing. I wake up and I feel totally fine. Just drink a crap ton of water and I'm good to go hit some lifts, you know. There's also like little things that like I can do that you can't do, so I have to like kind of change my riding style a bit. Like I could, like this curb right here, I could probably hop it. Like when we were at the car meet, bro, like that's what I was talking about. Like I could go hop a curb, but you guys can't, so I have to like I had to look for a little spot where we could all get out. which it worked out in the end. But I'm saying, like, imagine if you were on one of these too, bro. Like, we could get away with so much.
Dude, we just ran the craziest red light ever.
What are they gonna do? Run us over? And the cruiser he is trying his best. That's good, bro. We're gonna be the only customers of the day.
Seriously.
We get some fresh burgers. My wrists are still killing me, so pulling my gloves off hurt. Yeah, one $20 burger later. How's the cripple getting ready faster than you?
You're gonna have to press the button.
Well, I have 2 bars of gas, so I guess it'd be a good time to fill up.
I think it's time for me to fill up as well. Come on, Jeep. Go, 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 go. That was pretty sick. We wheelied at the same time. This guy's sticking his head out. He gives a thumbs up.
Wow, that was the funniest shit.
Alright, cool. Come on! Come on! I know she can. Got so bumpy so fast. Just like in my wheelie, it's just like, he just be in his own world and shit.
Which way?
Oh, left. I think we're super close to the lake now. Oh my god. Oh my god, what are you doing, bro? What the f? Do you just not care about money? I could do that too if I turned off my rear ABS.
I just remember you doing on the MT-07.
You just smacked the rear brake
It was
as hard
the
as you
easiest
can.
thing that I've ever seen in my life. And the funny thing is, every time I show somebody, they can't do it.
I mean, it's pretty easy to do. You just gotta like learn when to let off when it gets a little too squirrely. And his car in front of me is kind of killing my vibe right now.
I know, he's pissing me off. But I cut him off and my brakes, so...
Yeah, great idea. Just phenomenal idea, dude. Gas station sloped, and I don't have the leg strength to keep myself. I'm already done. I guess I was spending half the time trying to get grip on the ground with my broken foot. Shut up, faker. You're faking it. I've been washing my foot, bro. I've been taking my shower. That was the worst part, bro. After the accident, for like 4 or 5 days, bro, I could not take a shower. I was miserable. Like, you just feel so dirty.
That might be a real cop.
That's not a real cop, bro. I'm telling you, that's a fire station right there. Yeah, literally, it's this fire department. That's a fire truck, dude. Oh, well, couldn't find first. This bike's so silly sometimes. I wish I could go for a walk like that, dude. That dude looks like he's vibing. Yeah, dude, I fucking love doing that. This is my favorite thing to do. Just go for a nice little walk with headphones on. It's a good time. Good exercise. The dude with the shiesty's like, yeah!
I wish I had my dirt bike out here.
My man threw his hand up. He's like, yeah! Hello?
Oh, you're riding?
Who's this?
You're dead.
Oh, what's going on? I can't see who's calling.
Oh, how are you?
Good. What's going on?
All right, I love you.
I love you too. Hello? Hello? Yeah, sorry, it was just my dad calling. Oh, red light, red light, red light. That's how we die. That person pulling out right there.
I know where we're
I tried to wheelie through that bridge. I thought it'd be sick.
It's really transparent all the way down this bridge.
No, you f***ing won't do it. Oh my god. You know this thing is launch control?
What?
If we got enough time with this red light, I'll try to activate it. Launch control! Alright. Launch control, DPO. Launch control, waiting. Oh yeah, there we go. That's it. It's not like super exciting like the S1000. It's just like, whatever. It doesn't do like any special popping or anything, but yeah, dude, it's pretty bougie right here. Yeah, people all over, they come all over the world to come to this hospital. I remember when my dad was sitting in this hospital with a heart attack, and it took him like 10 days or something to get around to him.
Holy shit.
Made me so mad. I mean, it's a great hospital, but you gotta pay to play. American healthcare sucks. Why stop at good when you can be great, you know? Can you imagine, like, you live in some hick town or something, you only have like a small clinic, no one's ever there anyway, you go in there, get a bandage up for free, or like have a very small copay. Like, that's the dream, bro. Like, you know what I mean? That's nice, but big cities gotta ruin everything. This is the only thing that they're good for. Getting away with wheelies. Jesus Christ, these roads. Like craters, dude.
I was looking at the flight radar earlier and the...
Checking flight radar, that's so you, dude. That's so you, checking flight radar before going out riding. I mean, Chuck's arrest was a big reason why I quit running. Yeah, I mean, he went by the airport, he did everything that everyone always talks about, bro. Like,
So yeah, while I was editing the video, I just wanted to show you guys and give you guys context of what exactly we were talking about here. This is...
Video you need to see. A wild chase. You see the video behind me lasted for an hour. Katie Tursick with a first-hand look at how state troopers were able to nab a man.
So this dude is a very well-known dude around here, and he got caught, unfortunately, running from the cops, doing some dumb things. Now, the way they caught him was a really amazing way. They happened to have a helicopter out that night. They followed him all the way to the airport, which you would think that the police wouldn't have jurisdiction to fly over the airport, but they do. This dude was being followed by this helicopter the entire time, wasn't able to outrun him because the helicopter was faster than he was, and eventually he got caught. And this was, everybody knows about this, that this happened, and it's really unfortunate.
Nighttime like that, there's probably like 2 flights a night going out. So.
Yeah, but that's usually the time that you want to run.
Yeah, that's the time when you're going outside.
Look at this dude's blade. I grind.
Look at his hat. Wait,
What does it say? Wake, hustle, and grind. That's a pretty bold choice, bro.
I really want to scan that barcode.
On the EcoBoost Mustang.
Scan his barcode, his SoundCloud comes up.
Scanning his barcode is gonna steal your fucking bank account, dude.
Dude, that's definitely true.
Dude, everyone's looking.
Hey, next time I'm gonna get closer to them. I'm gonna make them jump out the way.
I got mine on. I definitely got the audio from that.
Let's do it.
That's so funny, bro. Oh, we have to go straight.
There's definitely a brown stamp going on right now.
No, you think so?
Oh no.